Shri Bhagwati presents Ribbon Blender. A ribbon blender is a type of mixing equipment commonly used in various industries for blending dry powders, granules, and other solid materials. It consists of a trough-shaped container with a horizontal agitator known as a ribbon. The ribbon is typically made of metal and has a double helical design, resembling two ribbons twisted together. The ribbon blender operates by rotating the agitator inside the container, which causes the materials to move in a back and forth, overlapping motion. This motion ensures that the materials are thoroughly mixed, achieving a homogeneous blend. The ribbon design helps in preventing the formation of dead spots or stagnant areas within the blender, ensuring consistent mixing throughout the batch. The main components of a ribbon blender include 1. Trough. The container or trough is typically made of stainless steel and has a U-shaped design. It holds the materials to be mixed. 2. Ribbon agitator. The ribbon agitator consists of two or more ribbons twisted together. It is mounted on a central shaft and is driven by a motor. The rotation of the agitator causes the materials to mix. Ribbon blenders are versatile and widely used in industries such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, plastics, and cosmetics. They are suitable for blending a wide range of materials, including powders, granules, and some pastes. Ribbon blenders are known for their simplicity, efficiency, and ease of cleaning, making them a popular choice for bulk blending operations. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.